हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट न्यू वीडियो इन द सीरीज ऑफ मंथली करंट अफेयर्स। एंड आज की इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं मई 2026 के करंट अफेयर्स। सो यस, इस वीडियो के प्रायर वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड द करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ मोर देन 10 मंथ्स। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखी हैं तो मैं प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक जो है वो आई बटन पे भी प्लेस कर दूंगा एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मैं वीडियो का लिंक दे दूंगा। ओके, मंथली सेग्रीगेटेड करंट अफेयर्स हैं तो आप ईच मंथ की वीडियोस जाके देख सकते हैं। आज की इस वीडियो में हम मई 2026 के अराउंड 325 क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे। एंड यस, द प्रोसेस इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम। आई एम गोइंग टू इंटीग्रेट द करंट अफेयर्स विथ द स्टैटिक पोर्शन सो दैट आपका स्टैटिक भी एफिशिएंटली रिवाइज हो जाए। एंड यस, 15 मंथ्स के टोटल करंट अफेयर्स हैं इस पीडीएफ में। अगर आपको पास्ट 6 मंथ के करंट अफेयर चाहिए वो भी अवेलेबल हैं एट ₹29। लिंक जो है वो मैं पिन कमेंट्स में मेंशन कर दूंगा। अगर आपको 15 मंथ्स के करंट अफेयर्स चाहिए तो वो अवेलेबल हैं एट ₹49। मंथली करंट अफेयर्स हैं टोटल 2900 प्लस आपको एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे। एंड यस, जिन्होंने पहले से परचेज करके रखा है, मई मंथ तक का मैंने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं एक्सेस प्रोवाइड करूंगा। तो जिनको भी मई मंथ की करंट अफेयर्स चाहिए वो मुझे एक ईमेल ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं, मैं आपको मेल पे ये सेंड कर दूंगा। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट अवर टुडेज सेशन। मई 2026 के 325 क्वेश्चंस को आप फिनिश करते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So let us start our today's session. And yes, the process is going to be the same. Firstly, I will discuss the current affair MCQs. And in addition to that, I will also try to make you revise the static portion so that एक बहुत ही integrated way में you can revise your current affairs as well as the static portion. So let us start with the first question. In which UP district did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate the Ganga Expressway in April 2026? So this is an important question, particularly for those who are preparing for the Uttar Pradesh centric examination. So this Ganga Expressway was inaugurated by PM Modi in Hardoi. Also, you need to know that this Ganga Expressway is a 594 kilometer long greenfield controlled expressway. Greenfield matlab कि it is a new expressway, okay, which has been built from scratch, मतलब zero से start करके इसको बनाया गया है। On the other hand, if you notice that brownfield लिखा है कहीं पे, तो brownfield मतलब होता है कि existing project को renew करके and then construct किया गया है, okay. And इसके additional you also need to know that this Ganga Expressway it connects 12 district across the उत्तर प्रदेश। डिस्ट्रिक्ट, नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स भी आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जा सकता है। अब एक्सप्रेसवे की तो बात हमने कर ली। इन एडिशन टू दैट आई विल ऑल्सो लाइक यू टू टेल यू अबाउट द वाटरवेज, नेशनल वाटरवेज। यहाँ से क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आपसे पूछा जाता है, ओके। बात करूं मैं नेशनल वाटरवेज 1 की, सो द रूट ऑफ दिस इज प्रयागराज टू हल्दिया। प्रयागराज टू हल्दिया इसका रूट है एंड दिस इज सिचुएटेड ऑन दी गंगा भागीरथी एंड हुगली रिवर। इन एडिशन टू दैट नेशनल वाटरवेज 2 को भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है, विच इज सिचुएटेड ऑन दी ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर। एंड कहाँ से कहाँ पे एक्सटेंड करता है, सो इट इज फ्रॉम सादिया टू धुबरी, ओके। एंड नेशनल वाटरवेज 3 की मैं बात करूं, सो इट एक्सटेंड्स फ्रॉम कोट्टापुरम टू कोल्लम। ऑब्वियसली ये केरला में है, तो एटलीस्ट आपको ये 3 तो पता होने ही चाहिए, सो दैट अगर आपको मैच द फॉलोइंग टाइप का क्वेश्चन आए तो आप इजीली वहां पे इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाओ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। हु लॉन्च्ड द नमो स्टॉल स्कीम फॉर स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स इन रांची? तो नमो स्टॉल स्कीम, सबसे पहले तो यू नीड टू नो दैट दिस नमो स्टॉल स्कीम इज अंडर द पीएम स्वनिधि इनिशिएटिव, ओके। आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओगे कि ये पीएम स्वनिधि कौन से मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर ये स्कीम यहाँ पे इंक्लूड की गई है, ओके। एंड नमो स्टॉल स्कीम इज अ सब स्कीम अंडर द पीएम स्वनिधि स्कीम, ओके। इन एडिशन टू दैट मैं आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स के नाम यहाँ पे बताता हूँ विच इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है। पहली एक इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम है वो है आयुष्मान भारत, आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम। ठीक है, जिसको कि अब एक्सटेंड कर दिया गया है फॉर ऑल पीपल ओवर द एज ऑफ 70+। ठीक है, जितने भी सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं 70 के अपर लिमिट की, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ देयर सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस, इट मीन्स दैट सीनियर सिटीजन अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा भी अर्न कर रहे हैं, स्टिल 70+ के जितने भी सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं, ऑल ऑफ द सिटीजन्स, सीनियर सिटीजन्स विल बी इंक्लूडेड अंडर दिस आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम। अब आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम में कितने लाख तक का कवरेज मिलता है? तो 5 लाख रुपीस तक का कवरेज मिलता है। इस पॉइंट को आपको ध्यान में रखना है, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है आपसे। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम की बात करूं तो पीएम ई ड्राइव स्कीम आपको पता होनी चाहिए, विच इज ऑब्वियसली इनिशिएटेड फॉर द अडॉप्शन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स इन द कंट्री। ओके, सो ये भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट स्कीम है, एंड ये पीएम ई ड्राइव स्कीम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज के अंडर ये स्कीम को इंक्लूड किया गया है। ओके, कंफ्यूज मत होना, ई मतलब एनवायरनमेंट से आप ये मत समझ लेना कि ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट की स्कीम होगी। ओके, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज की ये स्कीम है। ओके, अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा। विच इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी emerged as the top university in the Asia University Rankings of 2026? So Asia University Rankings 2026 में इंडिया की टॉप मोस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी है IISc बेंगलुरु। रैंक क्या है? तो रैंक है 43rd इन एशिया। ओके, एंड दिस IISc बेंगलुरु was the only Indian institute in top 50. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, वेयर वॉज द 23rd SCO डिफेंस मिनिस्टर मीटिंग हेल्ड इन 2026? तो दिस वॉज हेल्ड इन बिश्केक। ओके, बात अगर मैं करूं SCO की, तो SCO में प्रेजेंटली 10 मेंबर्स हैं। अब ये मेंबर्स कौन कौन से हैं? तो ये मेंबर्स हैं चाइना, रशिया, कजाकिस्तान, किर्गिस्तान, तजिकिस्तान, उज्बेकिस्तान, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, ईरान, एंड सबसे रिसेंटली बेलारूस ने ज्वाइन किया है इन द ईयर 2024। इसके पहले ईरान ने ज्वाइन किया था इन द ईयर 2023। नाउ अपकमिंग ट्रेंड के अकॉर्डिंग आपसे क्वेश्चन कई बार ऐसा पूछ लिया जाता है कि ईरान ने कब ज्वाइन किया, बेलारूस ने कब ज्वाइन किया, तो इस हिसाब से आपको पता होना चाहिए। बात करूं मैं अगर इंडिया की, तो इंडिया ने SCO को ज्वाइन किया था 2017 में। इस बात को भी आप ध्यान में रखेंगे। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Who was appointed as the president of the National Company Law Tribunal in April 2026? So, the president of NCLT is Justice Anupinder Singh Grewal. Next है, which missile maiden salvo launch was successfully conducted by DRDO and the Indian Navy from a helicopter? So, this is an important thing, आपको पता होना चाहिए। Okay. So, what is the name of the missile? This is the NASM-SR. NASM मतलब it stands for Naval Anti-Ship Missile, and SR मतलब है Short Range. Okay, and this was tested off the coast of Odisha. बात करूं अगर डिफेंस सेक्टर की, तो some of the most important news, सबसे important news तो आपके लिए यही है कि May 31st को न्यू CDS को अपॉइंट किया गया है। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस न्यू CDS? तो इनका नाम है NS राजा सुब्रमणी। NS राजा सुब्रमणी इज द न्यू चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ। अगर मैं बात करूं कि NS राजा सुब्रमणी सर से पहले कौन हमारे चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ थे, तो ये थे जनरल अनिल चौहान सर। ओके, इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, आपको पता होना चाहिए। इन एडिशन टू दैट आपसे ये भी पूछा जा सकता है कि मई मंथ में, मैं आपको बिल्कुल कल की ये न्यूज़ बता रहा हूँ कि इंडिया ने यहाँ पे पैक्ट साइन किया है वियतनाम के साथ। कौन से मिसाइल को लेके? तो ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल को लेके। ओके, 60,000 करोड़ की डील इंडिया ने साइन की है। इंडिया विल गिव वियतनाम ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल्स। ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल्स इससे पहले फिलीपींस को इंडिया ने दी है, एंड रिसेंटली अर्मीनिया को आकाश मिसाइल दी गई है। ओके, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ये सारी न्यूज़ हैं, इसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Which state approved the artificial intelligence policy with a 10,000 crore investment target? So AI policy has been recently approved by the Maharashtra government. The target is to tackle the AI infrastructure and skill training. ओके, एंड एम है 1.5 लाख जॉब्स को इनिशिएट करने का, जनरेट करने का बाय द ईयर 2031। इसके एडिशनल अगर मैं बात करूं तो महाराष्ट्र स्टेट के अंदर लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव्स हैं। ये पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको पता होना चाहिए, इसको आप ध्यान में रखना। नेक्स्ट इज विच सिटीज पुलिस इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इंडियाज फर्स्ट एआई पावर्ड मल्टीलिंगुअल इमरजेंसी रिस्पॉन्स सिस्टम नमा 112। तो नमा आपको पता होगा, इट इज रिलेटेड टू बेंगलुरु। ओके, नमा बेंगलोर ऐसे करके बोलते हैं। सो बेंगलुरु ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है एन मल्टीलिंगुअल इमरजेंसी रिस्पॉन्स सिस्टम विच इज नमा 112। इन एडिशन टू दैट, बेंगलुरु के रिगार्डिंग आपको पता होना चाहिए, इट हैज बीन डेजिग्नेटेड एज द न्यू लेपर्ड कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया। लेपर्ड कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया बेंगलुरु को भी रिसेंटली डेजिग्नेट किया गया है। दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, इसको आप नोट डाउन कर लो, दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन। Next is, when is the Ayushman Bharat Divas observed annually across India? So Ayushman Bharat Divas observed on April 30th. Okay, आयुष्मान भारत मिशन के रिगार्डिंग मैं आपको बता चुका हूं, so इसको आपको ध्यान में रखना है। नेक्स्ट है, which state topped the Panchayat Advancement Index 2.0 for financial year 24-25? कौन से स्टेट ने यहाँ पे टॉप किया है पंचायत एडवांसमेंट इंडेक्स में? सो त्रिपुरा हैज डिटेन्ड द टॉप पोजीशन, ओके, इन द फ्रंट रनर कैटेगरी। इन एडिशन टू दैट, मैं डिफेंस सेक्टर से एक और आपको बताना चाहता हूँ न्यूज विच इज वेरी मच इन न्यूज अबाउट द प्रगति एक्सरसाइज, प्रगति 2026। सबसे पहले तो आपको इंपॉर्टेंट है ये जानना कि दिस वाज हेल्ड एट उमरोई मेघालय। ओके, एंड इस एक्सरसाइज में ओवर 400 मिलिट्री पर्सनल ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था फ्रॉम 13 कंट्रीज। सो 13 कंट्रीज ने प्रगति 2026 में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, द क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड। नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट वाज द इंडिया सेक्स रेशियो एट बर्थ from 2021 to 2023 according to the Women and Men in India 2025 report? So this is 917. Okay, इसके प्रायर 2017 से 2019 में this was 904. Now, which new rules introduced digital OCI cards and online application processing? So this was introduced under the Citizenship Amendment Act 2026. Okay, now as per the new amendment rules, the rules allow the issuance of physical or electronic OCI cards and mandate कर दिया गया है ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन को। now यहाँ पे अगर मैं स्टैटिक पोर्शन की बात करूँ तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि सिटीजनशिप के रिगार्डिंग लॉ को बनाने की पावर सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंडिया के पास है। ओके, इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स कि state governments cannot pass a law regarding the citizenship, only parliament can pass the law. Okay, next is, where was the Coastal Atmospheric Research Test Bed CART Open Field Observatory established? So it was recently established in Vishakhapatnam. Okay, now what is the aim of CART? So this is a coastal weather research facility which is developed by Andhra University to improve the early warning systems. Next है, which state overtook Gujarat to become India's top marine fish producer in 2025? So गुजरात को ओवरटेक कर लिया है तमिलनाडु ने to become India's top marine fish producer, and this is very important. Okay, अब यहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर एंड हॉर्टिकल्चर से रिलेटेड बात हो रही है, तो मैं आपको बताऊं कि इंडिया का रैंक फर्स्ट है, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, इंडिया का रैंक फर्स्ट है इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मिलेट्स. In addition to that, India is the largest producer of pulses. India is also the largest producer of jute. In addition to that, India is the largest producer of spices. India is the largest producer of banana and mangoes. In addition to that, India milk का largest producer है. Okay? इतनी बातें आपको पता होना चाहिए. एंड अगर मैं सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट की बात करूं तो इंडिया इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ टी, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ शुगर केन. ओके, ये बातें आपको एटलीस्ट पता होनी चाहिए फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड हॉर्टिकल्चर. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. इन विच स्टेट डिड द यूनियन मिनिस्टर नितिन गडकरी launched India's first barrier-less tolling system? Very very important. So ये recently अभी inaugurate किया गया है गुजरात में. And this technology, this system is known as the multi-lane free flow system. Okay, which has been inaugurated at the Chorayasi toll plaza on NH48. Which state became the first in India to implement a fully paperless judiciary system? Very very important. So this is Sikkim. Sikkim is the first state in India to implement a fully paperless judiciary system, and this transition includes e-filing, digital case management, virtual hearing across the state courts. Next है, which country was designated as a priority foreign country in the USTR Special 301 report of 2026? So priority country यहाँ पे है वियतनाम. अब you need to know that this special 301 report is related to trade. कई बार इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं आपसे. The question will ask that the special 301 report recently seen in news is related to. आपको 4 अलग ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे दे सकते हैं. सो यू नीड टू नो दैट दिस रिपोर्ट इज रिलेटेड टू ट्रेड. ओके, नाउ जो ये रिपोर्ट है, दिस इज द हाईएस्ट स्क्रूटनी कैटेगरी, पोटेंशियली ट्रिगरिंग अ सेक्शन 301 ट्रेड इन्वेस्टिगेशन. एंड बात ट्रेड की हो रही है यहाँ पे, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए WTO के बारे में, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में, जो कि स्टैब्लिश हुई थी 1995 में. हेडक्वार्टर्स की मैं जस्ट अ सेकेंड, हेडक्वार्टर्स की मैं बात करूं तो हेडक्वार्टर्स इज इन जिनीवा, स्विट्जरलैंड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द सिक्स्थ प्रोजेक्ट 17A स्टेल्थ फ्रिगेट डिलीवर्ड टू द इंडियन नेवी? सो दिस इज महेंद्रगिरी. ओके, प्रोजेक्ट 17A अगर आपसे पूछा जाए तो आपको पता होना चाहिए ये नेवी से रिलेटेड है. दिस महेंद्रगिरी शिप was built by the Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders and it is named after an Odisha mountain peak. तो महेंद्रगिरी पीक ओडिशा में है, जिसके ऊपर इस स्टेल्थ फ्रिगेट का नाम रखा गया है. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस महेंद्रगिरी becomes important from the point of view of geography also. Okay, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. Who set a world record for being the youngest and the fastest swimmer to cross the Park Strait? So this is Ishank Singh. Okay, the 7-year-old swam from Sri Lanka to Tamil Nadu in 9 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, 7 years old है ये बस. When is the International Workers' Day observed annually? So International Workers' Day annually is observed on May 1st. And it is also known as the Labor Day, as it commemorates the 1886 Haymarket Affairs and it promotes the workers' right. Next है, who launched the cell broadcast system to warn citizens about emergencies and natural disaster? This is very much important and ये news में भी रहा है. So this cell broadcast system has been launched by Jyotiraditya Scindia. The system will deliver near real-time alert to mobile devices within the defined geographical areas. Which president of the United Nations General Assembly visited India in April 2026? So, Annalena Baerbock. Okay, she is the 80th UNGA president, and she visited India to reinforce its commitment to UN engagement. Next है, what is the name of the digital platform EPFO plans to launch for tracking old EPF accounts? So the name of the platform that will be launched by EPFO is ePrapti. Important है, okay? पेंशन से रिलेटेड है, तो इसको आपको ध्यान में रखना है. This ePrapti portal aims to facilitate tracking, linking, and activation of inoperative EPF accounts with Aadhaar authentication. Next है, with state launch India's first state-led center of excellence for space technology. So कर्नाटका ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है. Next है, in which country did India deploy the Arogya Maitri Bhishma Cube healthcare system? So भीष्म क्यूब हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को इंस्टॉल किया गया है जमाइका में. सबसे पहले अगर मैं बात करूं, दिस भीष्म क्यूब हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम ये कौन सी कंट्री को दिया गया था? तो इंडिया ने यूक्रेन को दिया था. ओके, नाउ द डिप्लॉयमेंट स्ट्रेंथेन्स इंडियाज ह्यूमैनिटेरियन डिप्लोमेसी एंड रिलीफ फ्रेमवर्क विथ कैरेबियन नेशंस. तो जमाइका को दिया गया है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको आप ध्यान में रखना. नेक्स्ट है, which two countries participated in the joint military exercise Sinbex 2? So this is important. So Sinbex 2 is an exercise between India and Cambodia. Okay. Who was appointed as the first full-time member of Niti Aayog from Arunachal Pradesh? This can be an important question. Okay. So Dr. Joram Ania has been appointed as the first full-time member. She is an academician and the first Nishi woman to earn a PhD degree. Okay. Which startup launched the world's first Octosar Earth observation satellite Drishti? So this has been launched by Galaxy Space. This is important. Okay. This is the world's first Octosar Earth observation satellite. This was launched from the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from California. What is the strike range of India's newly tested long-range hypersonic anti-ship missile? So, इस मिसाइल की रेंज कितनी है? 1500 किलोमीटर की रेंज है एंड मैक्सिमम स्पीड है 10 मार्च की. When is the World Press Freedom Day globally observed? So, Press Freedom Day May 3rd को globally observe किया जाता है, and the Press Freedom Day it promotes the freedom of expression and it assesses global press freedom conditions. Which portal was launched by Health Ministry to integrate fragmented health program system? So the name of the portal is Swasth Bharat portal. अब इस स्वस्थ भारत पोर्टल में रियल टाइम डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन होगा and this will integrate healthcare data for evidence based planning. Next है, where is India's first green methanol plant that converts invasive weeds into the marine fuel located? This is important क्योंकि इंडिया का ये फर्स्ट ग्रीन मिथेनॉल प्लांट है. सो दिस हैज बीन इनॉग्रेटेड इन कच्छ, गुजरात. एंड कौन सी श्रब को ये कन्वर्ट करेगा गैसिफिकेशन के थ्रू? सो दिस इज प्रोस्पोसिस जूलीफ्लोरा. इसके अलावा एक लैंटेना कमारा है. ऑल ऑफ दीज आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इन्वेजिव एलियन स्पीसीज. अब ये इन्वेजिव एलियन स्पीसीज क्या होता है? नाउ ये इस तरीके की वीड्स और ग्रासेस होती हैं जो कि किसी भी इकोसिस्टम में अगर इंटर कर जाएं एंड वहाँ पे जो लोकली बेस्ड फ्लोरा एंड फौना है उसको ये डिस्टर्ब कर देती हैं, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा वाइडली स्प्रेड होती हैं. इतनी ज़्यादा वाइडली स्प्रेड होती हैं कि बाकी जो वहाँ पे पेड़ पौधे होते हैं उनको ये ओवरटेक करके एंड वहीं पे ये फैल जाती हैं. ओके, सो इन्हीं श्रब से जो है वो मरीन फ्यूल बनाने का प्लांट इस्टेब्लिश किया गया है कच्छ, गुजरात में. आई होप दिस थिंग इज नाउ क्लियर. नेक्स्ट है Which company became India's first space tech unicorn in May 2026? So this is Skyroot Aerospace. Important है ये. Okay, you need to know this. Who won the 2026 Pulitzer Prize in the illustrated reporting for the Trapped Digital Arrest Expose? So पुलित्जर प्राइज जो दिया गया है वो आनंद आर के एंड सुपर्णा शर्मा जी को दिया गया है एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, ये दोनों जो हैं वो ब्लूमबर्ग के जर्नलिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने एक्सपोज किया था साइबर क्राइम्स को लाइक डिजिटल अरेस्ट. Who was appointed as the chairman of Prasar Bharati in May 2026? So Prasoon Joshi, who is also the national award winning lyricist. Okay, he has succeeded Naveen Kumar Sehgal. Which country's men's team won the BWF Thomas Cup finals in 2026? So Thomas Cup का final यहाँ पे चाइना ने जीता है. China has defeated France in the finals. The World's Laughter Day is observed on the first Sunday of May. Okay, Laughter Day was initiated by Dr. Madan Kataria and आपको पता ही है अगर हम हंसते रहेंगे if we laugh it will promote our health and well-being. When is International Firefighters Day observed globally? So ये observe किया जाता है May 4th को. Okay, अब फायर फाइटर्स डे सेलिब्रेट या ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है टू ऑनर द सैक्रिफाइस ऑफ फायर फाइटर्स. ऑस्ट्रेलियन वाइल्ड फायर 1998 में जब ये ऑस्ट्रेलियन वाइल्ड फायर का इंसिडेंट हुआ था इसमें फायर फाइटर्स के रोल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए दिस डे इज ऑब्जर्व. In which state did the Union Cabinet approve 2 semiconductor manufacturing unit under ISM 1.0? So गुजरात में 2 semiconductor manufacturing units लगाई जाएंगी. Next है which new railway zone is set to become operational on June 1st, 2026? So the newest 18th zone is the South Coast Railways. Okay, and where is the headquarter of the newly notified South Coast Railway Zone? This is an important question. So the newly designated headquarters is in Vishakhapatnam. Important है ये question. This question can be asked. Okay. Now the South Coast Zone, it comprises Vishakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Guntur division in Andhra Pradesh. Next question is which naval operation was launched by the USA to escort ship through the Strait of Hormuz? This is very much important. Okay, the name of the operation is Project Freedom. Now the operation aims to protect the global shipping routes from the disruption and regional tensions. Next question is which university became India's first IOE to be accredited with the Data Science Council of America? So this is the OP Jindal Global University of Haryana. Okay. Next is who assumed charge as the chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification in May 2026? So this is Sashi Shekhar Vempati. Okay. Next is which indigenous glide weapon system was successfully flight tested by DRDO and Indian Air Force? So the name is Tara. Very very important. This question can be asked. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए what is the full form of TARA? So this is the Tactical Advanced Range Augmentation System that converts unguided warheads into precision guided weapons. Next is when is the Border Road Organization BRO Raising Day celebrated? So BRO Raising Day is celebrated on May 7th. Okay. Now BRO was established in the year 1960 to develop strategic border infrastructure. Next is which state launched the Khaudel mobile application for real-time disaster response? This question is also very very important. Okay, so which state launched the Khaudel mobile application for real-time disaster? So this is launched by Mizoram. The app enables quick communication between the public and disaster management authorities. Next है which facility did DRDO inaugurate in Delhi to strengthen nuclear emergency preparedness? So this is the CBRN Field Training Center. So the CBRN Field Training Center provides some multi-agency training for emergency medical response and hazard detection. Next है who won the Palme d'Or at the 2026 Cannes Film Festival for the drama Fayot? Very important question. Okay, so Palme d'Or award has been won by Christian Mungiu. Next is which organization launched a USD 70 billion initiative to expand energy and digital networks in Asia? So this has been launched by the Asian Development Bank. Okay, the initiative aims to enhance cross-border connectivity and broadband access by the year 2035. Okay, आपको मुझे comment section में बताना है कि where is the headquarters of the Asian Development Bank. Okay, ये मैं बता देता हूँ. दिस इज इन फिलीपींस. फिलीपींस में कहाँ पे है ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. नेक्स्ट इज इन विच ईयर वेयर द जन सुरक्षा स्कीम PMSBY, प्रधानमंत्री JJBY and अटल पेंशन योजना ऑफिशियली लॉन्च्ड. So these were launched in the year 2015. Next is where was the second edition of the Indian Aircraft Leasing and Financing Summit IALFS held? So this was held in Gandhinagar. Okay, the summit was hosted at Gujarat. Next is which platform was launched by the Health Ministry to create a longitudinal digital record system for women? Very important question. So the longitudinal digital record system for women has been launched by the name of platform क्या है तो Janani. Okay, it is an updated version of the RCH portal that provides end-to-end tracking of antenatal, institutional delivery and postnatal care. Next is what is Phoenix? That is developed collaboratively by CSIR, CRRI and BPCL. So what is the Phoenix? So this Phoenix is a plastic waste geocell. It is India's first technical textile geocell made entirely from end-of-life mixed plastic waste for road construction. Next, who was appointed as the third Chief of Defence Staff CDS of India in May 2026? So the third Chief of Defence Staff is NS Raja Subramani. This is also very important. ये मैंने आपको बताया भी है अभी. ठीक है, he has been recently appointed. Next is who was appointed as the 27th Chief of the Naval Staff of the Indian Navy in May 2026. So this is Krishna Swaminathan sir. He assumed the charge as the Chief of the Naval Staff, succeeding Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Who was sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Bulgaria in May 2026? So Rumen Rade. Also, Bulgaria has become the 21st country to join the Eurozone. This is also important. ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. Next देखते हैं. Which state government renewed a 5-year MOU with AIFF to strengthen youth football development? So, this has been signed with the Odisha government. The Department of Sports and Youth Services of Odisha renewed the agreement to continue the elite youth football development partnership. Next देखते हैं. Which state topped the National Panchayat Award 2025 with 6 awards? This is a very important question. Okay, so top किसने किया है तो कर्नाटका ने किया. Next है who was sworn in as the 9th Chief Minister of West Bengal in May 2026. This is Suvendu Adhikari. He became the first leader from the BJP to hold the Chief Minister post in the state, ending the 15 years rule of the Trinamool Congress. Who assumed office as the 13th Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in May 2026? So this is C. Joseph Vijay, and he is the founder and the leader of the Tamilaga Vetri Kagazam TVK party. Okay, and he succeeded M.K. Stalin as the Chief Minister. Where was the newly commissioned Indian Coast Guard ship ICGS Achal बी बेस्ड. सो ICGS अचल जो है दिस इज बेस्ड इन वाडीनार. द शिप इज बिल्ट with over 50% of indigenous equipments. मतलब कि 50% जो इस शिप में कंपोनेंट लगे हैं वो मेड इन इंडिया ही है. Okay. Where did DRDO successfully conduct a long duration test of an actively cooled full scale scramjet combustor? So Hyderabad. Okay. Next है. Which country topped the medal tally at the Shanghai Hyundai Archery World Cup Stage 2 in 2026? So Turkey has topped the medal tally in the Stage 2. In which state was the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana Phase 4 launched to mark its silver jubilee? So this was launched in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next is, what is the name of the AI-powered judicial assistance chatbot launched by Chief Justice of India Suryakant? Very important question. So the name of the chatbot is Susahai. Now this has been developed to facilitate easier access to justice and court-related services for litigants. Next step. Which university partnered with Dassault Systems to establish an experience center in Pune? So DYPIU. So this is DY Patil International University जिन्होंने MOU साइन किया है with the Dassault Systems. Next है, from which company did the Indian Army procure the Agnika VTOL-1 kamikaze drone? So this has been acquired from the Adani Defence and Aerospace. Which historical event is commemorated annually on National Technology Day in India? So which historical day is observed? So Pokhran 2 nuclear test observe करने के लिए this day is being celebrated. Okay. Next देखते हैं. Which state launched the Meri Rasoi Yojana to provide free food kits to economical weaker families? So Punjab. Okay. Next is, how many days of guaranteed wage employment does the Viksit Bharat Ji Ramji Act 2025 provides? So 125 days का guaranteed wage employment जो है VG Ramji Act provide करता है, and this act has replaced the मनरेगा. ये भी point आपको पता होना चाहिए. Next is, where was the 10th edition of the Indian Ocean Dialogue hosted in May? So 10th edition of the dialogue was hosted in New Delhi. At which institute was India's first integrated CCUS field laboratory facility inaugurated? So this has been inaugurated in IIT Bombay. The facility integrates carbon capture and utilization with geological carbon dioxide sequestration in basalt formations. The Indian Pharmacopeia Commission signed an MOU with 3 states to strengthen which healthcare aspects? So 3 अलग अलग स्टेट के साथ में MOU साइन हुआ है in the field of pharmacovigilance. The MOUs have been signed with Bihar, Maharashtra and Mizoram. Who became the first Indian woman to be elected as a fellow of the Meteorological Society? So this is Kuljeet Kaur Marhas. Next है, under which constitutional article does the governor appoints the chief minister? This article is also very important. Okay. So article 164 of the constitution में ये mention है कि the governor will appoint the chief minister. Which department developed the AI driven systems for hyper local weather forecasting launched in May 2026? So this has been developed by IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. Now, what is the financial outlay for the newly approved scheme for the promotion of surface coal lignite gasification projects? So 37,500 crores have been approved. Now, the schemes aims to boost the clean energy production and reduction of India's reliance on the import of LNG, liquefied natural gas, यूरिया एंड मिथेनॉल। नेक्स्ट है, वेयर इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट मेगा ग्रीन फील्ड शिपयार्ड बीइंग डेवलप्ड विथ HD Korea Shipbuilding? So this has been developed in Tuticorin. Okay, this is important, पता होना चाहिए आपको। नेक्स्ट है, which organization is developing the unified Bharat e-charge UBC platform? So this has been developed by BHEL. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, which mission was launched in Mizoram to promote GI certification pharma grade cultivation? So this is the ginger mission. Okay, next is, who was sworn in for a fifth term as the Chief Minister of Puducherry in May 2026? So N Rangaswamy. Next, where did the Zoological Survey of India discovered two new spider species, Psarish natu and Psarish fenchunyu? So both of these spider species have been discovered in Nagaland. Okay, these species were named after the local villages. Which state will host the 134-kilometer semi-high-speed double-line railway project connecting Ahmedabad and Dholera? So this is in Gujarat. Okay, 20,000 crore के around have been approved. Okay, making it the first project using indigenous semi-high-speed technology. India assumed the chairmanship of which global IT security standards body for 2026 to 2028 term? So कौन सी body की chairmanship है? So this is the CCDB, that is the Common Criteria Development Board. Okay, and the aim is to enhance its role in international IT security standards. Now, which state became the first in India to complete all 51 priority areas under deregulation phase 1 and phase 2? So this is Tripura. Okay, the initiative, it focuses on simplifying land and urban governance processes to improve the ease of doing business. Which two armed forces signed an MOA on affiliation to strengthen inter-service cooperation? So Indian Army and Indian Navy ने यहाँ पे MOA साइन किया है। What is the name of India's first AI-powered combat aircraft said to be manufactured in Portugal? This is an important question. The name of the aircraft is Kal Bhairav. Next is, according to the UN GFG report, what has emerged as a major driver of global forest loss? So fuel wood demand is a major cause of the deforestation. What is the NATO designation for Russia's newly tested R-28 Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile? So जो रशिया ने ये न्यू बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल टेस्ट की है, नेटो ने उसका डेजिग्नेशन दिया है एज Saturn 2. Okay. Now, which state launched India's first integrated portal for monitoring NSQ medicine and NDPS drugs? So the name of the this has been launched by Karnataka. Portal जो है ये launch किया है कर्नाटका ने. Which mission was launched in Nagaland to promote sustainable farming and farm to cup experience? So this has been launched by the Coffee of Nagaland. Which institution launched an initiative to reconnect out of school children with education under NEP? So NIUS ने इसको launch किया है, and this initiative will target children from age group 14 to 18. Where was the foundation stone laid for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program facility? So in Puttaparthi in Andhra Pradesh. Which city introduced India's first solar-powered algae tree to tackle urban pollution? So Bhopal mein it has been inaugurated. Now, this will absorb carbon dioxide and it will release oxygen. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Empowerment of Women? This is a very, very important question. Okay. So correct answer is Dr. Daggubati Purandeshwari, who was sworn in as the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala. So this is VD Satishan. Important hai? Okay, you need to know this. Who officially assumed the charge as the CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI, जिसके अंडर आधार का इशुएंस आता है. So this office has been assumed by Saurabh Vijay. Who won the men's single title at the Italian Open Tennis 2026? So this has been won by Jannik Sinner. This is an important question. Next is the Bureau of Indian Standard notified specifications for blending petrol with up to what percentage of ethanol. So E20 टारगेट अचीव करने के बाद इंडिया ने अब E30 टारगेट को जो है वो सेट किया है. BIS, that is the Bureau of Indian Standards, it has established new specification for E22, E25, E27 and E30 fuel blend. India's first functional PM Mitra Park inaugurated during PM Modi's visit in May 2026. कहाँ पे ये inaugurate किया गया है? तो वारंगल में. वारंगल in Telangana. Now, to which country's astronomical observatory did India hand over the IUCAA banner to strengthen scientific cooperation? So, this has been signed with South Africa. With which payment bank did DMRC partner to launch the co-branded RuPay on the Go NCMC card? So, DMRC ने partner किया है with the Airtel Payments Bank. Which Gram Panchayat won India's Best GP Gram Panchayat Award under the NDSP VSP 2025? So, this has been won by New Napam Gaon Panchayat. एंड इनको मॉनेटरी प्राइज भी दिया गया है 1.5 CR का. हु वॉज अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेल? सो दिस इज अशोक कुमार पांडा. नेक्स्ट इज विच advanced missile equipped with MIRV technology was successfully flight tested from Dr. APJ Abul Kalam Island? So this is Agni. Okay. Mal Anderson, who passed away in May 2026 at the age of 91, was a legend in which sport? So he was a legend in the tennis. Who authored the book The Bench, the Bar and the Bizarre, The Lawful and the Awful? So this has been authored by Tushar Mehta. This is important. And आपको पता होना चाहिए Tushar Mehta is also the Solicitor General of India. He is the second highest law officer. Okay. Attorney General is the highest law officer of the country. In which 2 months is World Migratory Bird Day globally observed each year? So, World Migratory Bird Day is observed on May and October. इन 2 months में इसे observe करते हैं. When is the UN International Day of Argania observed? So, it is observed on May 10th. Okay. So, argan tree का रोल को हाईलाइट करता है एज अ सिंबल ऑफ कल्चर, हेरिटेज एंड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. एंड दिस आर्गन ट्री इज नेटिव टू मोरक्को. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन. ठीक है, कभी भी आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. इन विच स्टेट डिड पीएम मोदी पार्टिसिपेट इन द सोमनाथ अमृत महोत्सव? ऑब्वियसली गुजरात इज द करेक्ट आंसर. In which state was the Bhim Mandali Eco Heritage Site inaugurated by Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan? So he inaugurated in Odisha. Which mission was jointly launched by the ICAR and ICMR to link agriculture, nutrition and public health? So this is the Sehat mission. Next hai, with which foreign institute did CII sign an MOU to strengthen AI governance and digital leadership for Indian enterprises? So this is the NUSISS. With which IIT foundation did Thash Defense sign an MOU for developing indigenous defense mobility platform? So this has been signed with IIT Ropar. Who was appointed as the chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry in May 2026? So Dr. Harvansh Chawla. Okay, he is a legal expert who assumed the role after the stepping down as the chairman of the BRICS CCI. Which country is set to host the International Day of Vesak? So China will host it. Okay. It marks the returns of Global Buddhist Summit. What was the theme for the International Day of Plant Health 2026? So theme थी Plant Biosecurity for Food Security. What is the total value of Bharat Maritime Insurance Pool launched by DFS to secure shipping risk? So the pool is worth 1.5 US billion US dollars. What is the duration of the Country Strategic Opportunities Program launched by India and IFAD? So this is 8 years. With which entity did I4C sign an MOU to boost AI-based detection of mule accounts and cyber financial frauds? So this is RBIH. Which northeastern state was recognized as a digital rising state for DigiLocker integrated by NEGD? So यहाँ पे नागालैंड को रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया है. The state was felicitated successfully for integrating more than 32 government services within 1 month. Who was elected as the president of the CII for 2026-27 term? So this is R. Mukundan. Chess prodigy Faustino Oro became the second youngest grandmaster at the age of 12. Which country he is from? So he belongs to Argentina. Important है ये, इसको आप ध्यान में रखना. And he is also known as the Messi of chess. Who is honored globally on International Nurses Day, observed annually on May 12th? So this is on Florence Nightingale. Birth anniversary of the Florence Nightingale. What is the minimum support price approved for common paddy for marketing season 26-27? So paddy के लिए जो price है, this is 2441, 72 rupees per quintal इसको increase किया गया है. Which new category classification replaced Achievers as the top tier of the Leeds 2025 report? So Achievers को replace करके Exemplars बना दिया गया है. Okay. Exemplars कैटेगरी में कौन से स्टेट आते हैं? तो तमिलनाडु, उत्तर प्रदेश, मिजोरम, दिल्ली. Which entity implemented the IP Catalyst initiative to transform patent into products? So this has been done by CDAC. With states signed an 2,432 crore pact with Digital Bharat Nidhi for the amended BharatNet program. So आंध्र प्रदेश ने ये पैक्ट को साइन किया. Which non-profit organization partnered with India AI Mission to curate high-quality language datasets? So this is CADE. With which broadcaster did IEPFA sign an MOU to spread investor awareness through scroll messages? So प्रसार भारती के साथ यहाँ पे इसको साइन किया गया. Next is, which bank became the first Taiwanese bank to open a branch at the Gift City, Gujarat? So this is the CTBC Bank. Next is, who was sworn in as the president of Uganda for a 7th term in May 2026? Correct answer is Yoweri Museveni. Now, who was appointed as the first managing director of Geo Platforms Limited for a 5-year term? So, the correct answer is Akash Ambani. Now, when is the United Nations International Day of Families observed? So, it is observed on May 15th. Next is, which city hosted the Kimberley Process Intersessional Meeting 2026 under India's chairship? Important है ये, and you also need to know that ये जो Kimberley process है, this is related to the conflict diamond. Okay. Now, कौन सी सिटी ने होस्ट किया है? So it has been hosted by Mumbai. The Ministry of Ayush signed an MOU with which division to provide multilingual digital healthcare service? So this has been provided by DIBT. Okay. The Digital India Bhashini division. Which region emerged as India's third largest seafood export market? So this is European Union. Total 1.5 बिलियन US डॉलर्स का यहाँ पे ट्रेड हुआ था. With which French company did L&T partner to develop unmanned mine countermeasure system for the Indian Navy? So this is Exail Technologies. Next देखते हैं veteran leader Sudhanshu Sil, who passed away in May 2026, belonged to which political party? So he belonged to CPIM. Okay. Next is what is the theme for the International Day of Living Together in Peace 2026? So this is building trust through dialogue, inclusion and reconciliation. This is an important theme, so you need to know this. During his May 2026 visit, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar offered soft loans for infrastructure to which South American country? So he went to Suriname. Okay. He also handed over a passion fruit processing facility completed under the Indian grant assistance. Now, what is the total outlay of the mission Sikkim Organics launched to strengthen sustainable agriculture? So 360 crore का outlay है इस scheme का. Okay, and the scheme has been inaugurated, launched by Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia during his 51st Statehood Day celebration. Where was India's first SME-led semiconductor ATMP facility inaugurated by Union Minister Ashnavi Vaishnav? So, this was inaugurated in Bhiwandi, Rajasthan. Which initiative was launched by NHAI to empower rural women through skill development? This is an important question. Okay, so the name of the project is Project Shaksham. Okay, the project provides industry relevant skills and formal employment pathways. In which sector did Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserves Limited (ISPRL) sign a collaborative MOU with UAE's ADNOC? So energy security के domain में this MOU has been signed. Okay. पीएम मोदी ने विजिट किया था रिसेंटली यूएई को एंड एज यू नो इंडिया और यूएई के बीच में एक स्ट्रेटेजिक पेट्रोलियम रिजर्व्स को लेके यहाँ पे एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ है. In which city did Slice Small Finance Bank launch India's first AI-powered Phygital Bank branch? This is very much important. So this has been launched in Guwahati. Okay. अब ये Phygital branch क्या होती है? So the branch integrates the physical banking with AI-enabled customer support and automated digital solution. Basically जो physical banks होते हैं, जैसे कोई भी बैंक है जिसका एक फिजिकल लैंडमार्क है, जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं कि बैंक यहाँ पे सिचुएटेड है, उसमें इन्होंने इंटीग्रेट कर दिया है एआई डिजिटल सपोर्ट को. ओके, एंड दिस टर्म इज नोन एज फाइजिटल. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. कामी रीता शेरपा ब्रोक हिज ओन रिकॉर्ड बाय स्केलिंग माउंट एवरेस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. कितनी असेंट किए हैं कामी रीता शेरपा ने? एंड कामी रीता शेरपा शी बिलोंग्स टू नेपाल. ये ध्यान रखना, टोटल 32 असेंट्स उन्होंने अभी तक कर दिए हैं. ओके, ही इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द एवरेस्ट मैन. एक्टर ईशान खट्टर रिसीव्ड ऑनररी मेंबरशिप ऑफ विच रेजिमेंट ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मर्ड कॉर्प्स? सो 45 कैवलरी रेजिमेंट. Who was sworn in as the youngest prime minister in Iraq's modern history? Very very important because ये इराक के सबसे youngest PM है. So इनका नाम है अली फली खादिम अल ज़ैदी. India's urban unemployment rate for people aged 15 and above in January to March quarter कितनी परसेंट की unemployment rate थी? 6.6%. What is the new base year notified by Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation for compiling gross state value added? Very very important. तो जो इसका है बेस ईयर अपडेट करके 2022-23 को कर दिया गया है. Which state achieved 0% primary school dropout rate in the 2024-25 according to a Niti Aayog report? Very very important. So 0% primary school dropout rate achieve किया है यहाँ पे झारखंड में. Which institution partnered with Maritime India Foundation to establish maritime innovation hubs? So IIT Madras. Next है, with which country's multinational firm did Indian Air Force sign a pact for Nika missile MRO facility? तो यहाँ पे ये पैक्ट साइन किया गया है फ्रांस के साथ. Which company secured a US NRO contract to integrate commercial hyperspectral data into remote sensing architecture? So this is Pixel. इंपॉर्टेंट नाम है, अपकमिंग एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, तो इसका आप एक्सप्लेनेशन एक बार वीडियो को पॉज करके पढ़ सकते हैं। ओके, ध्यान रखना इस कंपनी का नाम। Whose birth anniversary is commemorated annually on World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day? So Henry Dunant. Okay. The day honors the founder of the International Committee of the Red Cross and the first Nobel Peace Prize laureate. Okay, हेनरी ड्यूनेंट, सबसे पहला नोबेल पीस प्राइज इनको मिला था, ये चीज को आप ध्यान में रखना। ओके, Which country's president undertook an official visit to India in May 2026 to strengthen bilateral relations? So, Vietnam. Which metropolitan city recorded the highest number of cognizable offense in the National Crime Records Bureau Crime in India 2024 report? तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन तो आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि द क्राइम इन इंडिया 2024 रिपोर्ट इज रिलीज बाय द एनसीआरबी। ओके, सबसे ज़्यादा कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस रजिस्टर किए गए हैं दिल्ली में। अप टू व्हाट एज कैन सब्सक्राइबर नाउ कंटिन्यू देयर पेंशन देयर नेशनल पेंशन सिस्टम अकाउंट्स अंडर पीएफआरडी न्यू फ्रेमवर्क? सो 85 ईयर्स तक वो रख सकते हैं। पहले ये लिमिट 75 ईयर्स थी। US approved US $428.2 million defense package to India to support which military equipment? So AH-64E Apache, which is a helicopter, and M777. Okay. Which fintech firm secured NPCI certification for UPI, IMPS, IBMB integrations? So this is Viona Fintech. Next देखते हैं, which global asset manager partnered with Google for a $5 billion AI cloud infrastructure venture? So this is Blackstone. Next, who was appointed as the executive director of RBI in charge of the Department of Payment and Settlement System? So the correct answer is Gunveer Singh. Who won the women's single title at the Italian Open Tennis 2026? So Elina Svitolina. Which late author's Dogri Punjabi dictionary was released by the governor of Himachal Pradesh? This is an important question. So the name is Chandan Negi. Okay. What does the UN World Telecommunication and Information Society Day commemorate? So this commemorates the founding of the International Telecommunication Union, and ये ITU कब फॉर्म हुई थी? 1865 में फॉर्म हुई थी इन पेरिस। ये दोनों पॉइंट्स को आपको ध्यान में रखना है। What was the 2026 theme for the International Day Against Homophobia, Transphobia and Biphobia? So the theme was At the Heart of Democracy. Where did Union Defense Minister lay the foundation of a new naval system manufacturing facility? So Ankapalle in Andhra Pradesh. Now, what is the name of CBI's AI-based helpbot designed to combat digital arrest and fake notice scam? This is important. Okay. Name of the chatbot is Abhay. Where is Bharat Forge establishing India's first private sector marine gas turbine facility? This question is also important. Correct answer है आपका विशाखापट्टनम। Next देखते हैं, which historical artifacts did the Netherlands restitute to India during PM Modi's 2026 visit? So Chola copper plates. Okay. Now, which Indian company signed an MOU with Dutch firm ASML to support a semiconductor fab in Dholera? So this is Tata Electronics. Next है, which bank partnered with Mahindra and Mahindra to launch India's first sustainability linked green dealer financing scheme? So this is DBS Bank. How many women scientists were honored with UNESCO L'Oreal International Award for Women in Science 2026? So total 5 women have been awarded. Who was re-elected as the chairman of the Commonwealth Chess Association for 2026 to 2030 term? So Bharat Singh Chauhan has been re-elected. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science, Environment, Forest and Climate Change? So correct answer is Medha Kulkarni. Next है, which precision guided missile did DRDO successfully test in air to ground and air to air modes? So The name of the missile is ULPG-MV3. Which spacecraft was launched by European Space Agency and Canadian Space Agency jointly to study solar wind and Earth magnetosphere? So the name of the spacecraft is SMILE. Major General Bhuvan Chandra Khanduri, who passed away in May 2026, was the former Chief Minister of which state? So he was the former CM of Uttarakhand. Who authored the leadership book Better Never Stops? So this has been authored by Shyam Srinivasan. When is International Museum Day observed globally? May 18th. Which state is the focus of the USP of Arunachal Pradesh Agricultural Mission? So Arunachal Pradesh, obviously, as the name suggests, कीवी कल्टीवेशन पे फोकस है एंड वैल्यू चेन की डेवलपमेंट पे भी यहाँ पे फोकस किया गया है. Where was the multilateral military exercise Pragati 2026 concluded? In Meghalaya. Which company secured a naval contract for high-powered microwave system under Aditi 3.0? So Tonbo Imaging. इनको जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया गया है. What is plant open CSPI RI developed by ICAR? So this is an AI designated gene editor. Very very important. ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. नेक्स्ट है विच कंट्री अवॉर्डेड पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी द रॉयल ऑर्डर ऑफ पोलर स्टार? सो स्वीडन ने यहाँ पे ये अवार्ड दिया है एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट है विच प्लैनेट इज द फोकस ऑफ शुक्रयान मिशन और कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन इसरो एंड स्वीडिश नेशनल स्पेस एजेंसी? सो वीनस पे है ये मिशन. ओके. What is the name of India's first exchange traded weather derivative contract launched by NCDEX? So रेन मुंबई. इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. ओके इसको आप ध्यान में रखना, क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ सकते हैं. टाटा पावर साइंड एन MOU with which country's DGPC to develop 5000 megawatt of clean energy? So ये भूटान के साथ साइन किया गया है. Which novel won the 2026 International Booker Prize? This is very very important. So correct answer is Taiwan Travelogue. अब ये ऑथर किया है यांग शुआंग जी एंड इसको ट्रांसलेट किया है लिन किंग ने. And this is also the first Mandarin Chinese novel to win, so this becomes very much important. ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आने वाला है 110% में श्योर है, इसको आप नोट कर लेना. Which Indian city was ranked among the top 5 global water utilities at 2026 Global Water Summit? तो BWSSB, the Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board, इनको जो है वो अवार्ड दिया गया है. इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको भी आप ध्यान में रखना. Who became the first Indian test pilot elected as a fellow of the Society of Experimental Test Pilots, SETP? So this is K.K. Venugopal. Next है, what is the name of the next generation offshore petrol vessel launched by GRSE for Indian Navy in Kolkata? So the name of the vessel is INS Sanghmitra. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated on the World Bee Day? Correct answer is Anton Jansa. Which program phase 2 was launched to manage and treat rare genetic disorders in India? So this is the Ummeed. Okay. Which city hosted the 68th Asian Productivity Council Governor Body Meeting? So ये न्यू दिल्ली में होस्ट हुआ था एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. British International Investment and Denmark CIP launched a $300 million renewable energy platform in India. Named what? So the name is North Star. Next देखते हैं. Which ministry launched an event app with AI powered networking features for BharatTex 2026? So correct answer is Ministry of Textile. Which country conferred the Royal Order of Merit Grand Cross upon PM Modi? So this is also important. Correct answer is Norway. Okay. So PM Modi visited, he had a 2-day official visit to Oslo. So this is correct. Under a new grassroots initiative, the NRAI plans to introduce how many students to shooting before 2028 Olympics? So as per this plan, 7.5 lakh students will be given this experience. Which country is scheduled to host the next BRICS MENA meeting in 2027? So China will host it. Okay, 2026 की जो मीटिंग है एंड ब्रिक्स समिट है वो इंडिया होस्ट कर रहा है So this also you need to know. Now Paras Defense partnered with Complus and JV Micronics to develop which specialized टेस्टिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन इंडिया. सो एनेकोइक चैम्बर्स इन्होंने सेटअप किया है. विच कंपनी बिकेम इंडियाज फर्स्ट डोमेस्टिक कार्डियोवास्कुलर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट टू अचीव ISO 50001 सर्टिफिकेशन. सो शहजानंद मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजीज ने को ये डोमेस्टिक कार्डियोवास्कुलर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट की ISO रेटिंग मिली है. एंड दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड. Where did the Ministry of Information and Technology launch indigenous silicon photonic solutions, including a PDK and universal PPIC test engine? So, IIT Madras में यहाँ पे launch किया गया है. Vijay Kumar, who passed away in May 2026, was a prominent Indian figure in which sport? So, golf is the correct answer. The Union Labour Ministry launched a free annual health checkup initiative for workers above what age? So above 40 years of age. India AI and ICMR signed an MOU to share anonymized healthcare datasets under which framework? So this is the MIDAS framework. CSIR NISCPR signed an MOU with which MEA institution to strengthen STI policy research and science diplomacy? So, a pact has been signed with RIS, Research and Information Systems. Okay. The Finance Ministry empowered the principal bench of GSTAT to act which authority effective from April? So, this GSTAT will act as the नेशनल एपेलेट अथॉरिटी फॉर एडवांस रूलिंग्स. एंड ये रिलेटेड है आपके GST रिफॉर्म से. ओके, दिस वन इज इंपॉर्टेंट, ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज इन May 2026, BIS hosted the international meeting of the ISO TC 20 by SC 14 subcommittee focused on which sector? So this committee focused on the space sector. Who was sworn in as the 50th president of Costa Rica? Correct answer is Laura Virginia Fernandez Delgado. The UN Time of Remembrance and Reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War is observed on May 8-9. Okay. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the newly constructed Dhanya Mandir at which organization's international center in Bengaluru? So Art of Living. And Art of Living is hosted by Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. What denomination commemorative coin did PM Modi release during the Somnath Amrit Mahotsav? So 75 rupee coin was launched. In which city did PM Modi inaugurate Sardar Dham Hostel developed at the cost of 150 crore? So this was opened in Vadodara. Which portal was launched by Union Education Minister to improve transparency in rural governance? So this is the Panchayati Raj Samiksha. Now, what was the theme for the National Technology Day 2026? So the theme was Responsible Innovation for Inclusive Growth. On which date is the Viksit Bharat Ji Ram Ji Act, which repeals Manrega, set to be implemented nationwide? A very, very important question. So VG Ji Ram Ji Bill will be implemented from 1st July 2026. जिसमें कि guaranteed work of 125 days will be given. The CCEA approved the highest absolute increase in MSP for which crop? So for the sunflower seeds. Next है the Geological Survey of India recently completed the first comprehensive taxonomic revision of which Indian arachnids in over a century. This question is very, very important. So this is whip scorpions. The Union Cabinet approved the extension of an AAI land lease to enable the modernization of which international airport? So, modernization of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport of Nagpur. During External Affairs Minister's S. Jaishankar visit to Trinidad and Tobago, how many MOUs were signed between the two nations? So, total 8 MOUs दोनों nations के बीच sign की गई थी. Which foundation partnered with NHAI to launch Project Saksham for empowering rural women through skill development? So Vertis Foundation के साथ यहाँ पे पैक्ट किया गया था. Cochin Shipyard Limited signed an MOU with which UAE entity to establish a ship repair cluster at Wadinar. So Dry Docks World के साथ यहाँ पे partnership हुई है. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Weightlifting Championship 2026 held in Gandhinagar? So China has won. Next is Endangered Species Day is observed globally on which day of May? So this is observed on 3rd Friday. Next is the International Day of Light commemorates whose first successful laser operation in 1960? Correct answer is Theodore Maiman. Next time. What is the theme for the National Dengue Day observed on May 16th? So, community participation for dengue control, check, clean and covered. This was the national theme for dengue control. BIS notified standard for blending petrol with up to what maximum percentage of ethanol? So अभी E30 guidelines जो हैं वो सेटअप की गई हैं जिसके अंडर ये करेक्ट आंसर है. Which portal was launched by the Ministry of Ayush to streamline funding proposal under the central sector schemes? So this is the Ayush Anudan portal. World AIDS Vaccine Day observed on May 18th commemorates a 1997 speech delivered by which global leader? So Bill Clinton. इस तरह के ना करंट के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उसको स्टैटिक फॉर्म करके पूछ लिया जा रहा है आजकल. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव एडेड सम ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस. Now, which UN agency leads the annual observance of the International Day of Women in Maritime? So, IMO यहाँ पे, that is the International Maritime Organization, ये जो है वो लीड करता है. Which ISRO mission received the 2026 AIAA Goddard Astronautics Award? So, चंद्रयान 3 को ये अवार्ड मिला था. एंड सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग चंद्रयान 3 ने कब किया था मून पे? तो 23 अगस्त 2023 को. Who became the second Indian woman to be elected as a fellow of the Royal Society in May? So this is Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. Next is South Africa conferred the order of Mapung Goabe on which Indian origin scientist for his pioneering research in HIV and TB? So this is Professor Salim Abdul Karim. Which company successfully conducted the field trials of Vayu Astra 1 loitering munition with a 100 किलोमीटर स्ट्राइक कैपेबिलिटी? सो नाइब लिमिटेड ने यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुली टेस्ट किया था. नाउ क्राशिकियम लालरिमसेंगाई recently discovered in the forest of Mizoram is what? So this is a war meeting snake. Okay. World Meteorology Day on May 20th is jointly organized by BIPM and which other international organization? So OIML, that is Organization of Legal Meteorology. Which UN organization leads celebration of International Tea Day annually on May 21? So this is the Food and Agriculture Organization. Madhya Pradesh partnered with which tech giant to develop an AI-powered management framework for Simhastha 2028? So Google के साथ यहाँ पे पैक्ट किया गया है. Which Indian state signed a rupees 6.5 lakh crore worth of MOU for nuclear energy project with NTPC, Reliance, Adani and Lalitpur? महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने MOU साइन किया है. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched the Sahatayu dashboard for which specific purpose? So Sahatayu portal for geriatric caregiver availability. ठीक है. How many institutions were selected by ANRF under its Convergence Research Center for Excellence program? So total 10 institutions को select किया गया है. Which Central Armed Police Force completed its first ever all-women international mountaineering expedition to Mount Everest in May 2026? So ITBP ने ये feat achieve की है and this is a very very important current affairs. Now, what is the name of the BSF first all-women Mount Everest expedition, marking its Diamond Jubilee? So the name was Mission Vande Mataram. BIT Mesra signed an MOU with which DOS institution to advance GEO, AI and remote sensing research? So NESAC के साथ ये partnership हुई है. Which association launched Bharat Digital Samvad, India's first national forum on digital sovereignty? सो BDIA ने ये साइन किया है। Which prestigious honor did the FAO Director General confer upon PM Narendra Modi during visit to Italy? Very very important. ठीक है, so the award that has been won is Agricola Medal. Which international organization released the State and Trend Report of Carbon Pricing 2026? Reports identifying India's among new carbon market. So ये रिपोर्ट जो है वो वर्ल्ड बैंक इशू करता है। इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, क्वेश्चन यहाँ से पूछा जा सकता है, सो यू नीड टू नो दिस। A financial outlay for the Bhavya scheme launched by the DPIT for industrial infrastructure development. So 33,660 करोड़ का यहाँ पे जो है वो मनी एलोकेट किया गया है। Where will the Department of Space establish a new space vehicle cluster to focus on manufacturing and testing? So it will be opened in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. ONGC extended its MOU to develop India's first geothermal power project in which region? Very very important. Correct answer is Pugawali, Ladakh. With which e-commerce company did Department of Post sign an agreement to strengthen parcel delivery services? So Flipkart के साथ यहाँ पे MOU साइन किया गया है। What is the name of the digital application launched by the Indian Army for logistics and sustainment management? So this is the Q-Force. Important है, आपसे पूछ सकते हैं, तो याद रखना Q-Force is a portal of digital application of Indian Army. With which country did India sign a bilateral accession protocol in Geneva to support its WTO membership? So इथोपिया के साथ यहाँ पे इंडिया ने bilateral accession साइन किया है। What is the value of the relief shield facility launched by AIIB for conflict hit Middle East region? Very very important. आपसे ये पूछ सकता है कि रिलीफ शील्ड फैसिलिटी कौन से बैंक ने लॉन्च किया है, तो ये भी किया है एशियन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक। 10 बिलियन यूएस डॉलर्स का इसका जो है वो टोटल आउटले है। Which Indian all-rounder announced his retirement from domestic cricket and the IPL to explore overseas league? So this is Vijay Shankar. When is the International Day to End Obstetric Fistula observed? So May 23 को ये observe किया जाता है। Next देखते हैं, the UN International Day of Markhor is observed on 24 May to protect which animal? So Markhor is generally a wild goat species and इसी को protect करने के लिए this day is observed. Which bank signed an MOU with Delhi government to implement the e-pay solution on its procurement portal? So SBI के साथ MOU साइन किया गया है। What is the record surplus dividend transferred by RBI to the government of India for financial year 26? A very very important question. डायरेक्ट ही आपसे जो है ना ये अमाउंट पूछ सकते हैं। तो RBI ने 2.87 लाख करोड़ जो है वो ट्रांसफर किया है गवर्नमेंट को while maintaining the contingency risk buffer at 6.5%. Which cross-border payment platform secured PSP approval to operate in Gift City? तो स्काइडो को यहाँ पे अप्रूवल मिला है। Which fintech platform received IRDAI approval to distribute insurance product digitally? तो जंप को यहाँ पे अप्रूवल मिला है। Who was named the recipient of 2025 UN Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award? So this has been awarded to Major Abhilasha Barak. Which RRB received a national award from PFRDA for its Atal Pension Yojana enrollment performance? So Karnataka Gramin Bank को यहाँ पे ये award दिया गया है। Whose tenure as the DG of Narcotics Control Bureau was extended till July? So Anurag Garg. Next है, what is the strike range of Agni-1 short range ballistic missile recently test fired at Chandipur? So इसकी रेंज है 700 to 900 किलोमीटर। The book The Library Man of India released by Vice President CP Radhakrishnan is based on whose life? So PN Panikkar की life पे ये based है। When is the National Anti-Terrorism Day observed in India to mark the death of anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi? To May 21st. According to the IOM World Migration Report of 2026, which country remained the top remittance recipient in 2024? So India has been the top remittance country. Which payments bank partnered with EasyPay to expand last mile digital banking service in rural India? So this is the Jio Payments Bank. Which UN recognized day is observed annually on May 5th with a theme 1 million more midwives. So this is the International Day of Midwives. World Hand Hygiene Day aligns with which WHO campaign? So it aligns with Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. Which state launched the 100 Days Ayushman Student Coverage Mission for Youth Health Coverage? So ये नागालैंड गवर्नमेंट ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है. What is the purpose of Central Prabhari Officer portal launched by Niti Aayog? This is important, and the main purpose of this portal is to real-time governance in aspirational district. With which French company did NLC sign an NDA to explore EPR and SMR nuclear technology? तो EDF, that is Electricité de France, इसने collaborate किया है, and this company will help to support India's 100 gigawatt nuclear target by 2047. UIDAI ने साइन किया है 5-year pact on cyber security and digital forensics with which institution? So with the National Forensic Science University. Which entity was awarded a 1476 crore contract by the Ministry of Defense to supply ground-based mobile electronic system? So Bharat Electronics Limited को ये MOU साइन किया गया है. Which ministry released the RBSK 2.0 guidelines to expand India's child health screening framework? So because this is related to health, so ये जो है वो साइन किया गया है with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. What is the processing time set by DPIIT for FDA proposal in 40 subsectors from countries sharing a land border? So 60 days. Next है, the Union Cabinet approved a bill to increase the sanctions strength of Supreme Court judges to what number? So 37 judges. Okay. 33 जजेस थे पहले, अब 37 होंगे एक्सक्लूडिंग द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया. इट मीन्स व्हाट कि इंक्लूडिंग द चीफ जस्टिस टोटल 38 जजेस जो हैं वो सैंक्शन किए गए. What is the total outlay for the ECLGS 5.0 scheme approved to help MSME affected by West Asia crisis? तो टोटल 18,100 करोड़ रुपीस का ये स्कीम है. फाइनेंशियल आउटले फॉर द मिशन फॉर कॉटन प्रोडक्टिविटी के लिए 5,660 करोड़ का एलोकेशन किया गया है. इंडिया एंड EU लॉन्च्ड अ EUR 15.2 million joint initiative to boost recycling of EV batteries. Where did IITM Pune establish India's first urban testbed and aerosol observatory? So Chennai. Okay. Which two subsectors are the focus of new bilateral agreements signed between India and Japan? तो जो एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ है इंडिया एंड जापान के बीच में ये रिलेट करता है विद क्वांटम टेक्नोलॉजी एंड हेल्थ रिसर्च. Which Canadian university signed an MOU with 3 Indian university to strengthen higher education partnership? So this is with the Cape Breton University. The viability plan approved by DFS aims to improve the performance of which financial institution? So RRB की performance को increase करने के लिए. Next is which international day is observed on May 6 to spread awareness against diet culture and fatophobia? This is International No Diet Day. The Bihar cabinet approved a $500 million loan from which institution to strengthen urban center? So Bihar cabinet ने loan लिया है with the World Bank. Which country president visited India leading to an enhanced comprehensive strategic partnership? तो वियतनाम के प्रेसिडेंट ने विजिट किया था इंडिया. NCRB क्राइम इन इंडिया रिपोर्ट के अकॉर्डिंग what was the percentage decline in overall crime rate? So overall जो crime rate था वो 6% से decrease हुआ है. Which city topped the number of cognizable offense among metropolitan city in 2024 according to NCRB? Delhi has been at the top. MOSPI notified a uniform guidelines for calculating state GSVA adopting which new base year? So नया base year है 2022-23. A policy report by Niti Aayog revealed which state achieved a 0% primary dropout rate? So Jharkhand. Okay. The Maritime India Foundation signed an MOU with IIT Madras, IIT Bombay and IMU Chennai to establish what? So the target is to establish Maritime Innovation Hub. Which organization signed an MOU with Principal Scientific Advisor Officer to फॉस्टर इंडियाज रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इकोसिस्टम। सो फिकी के साथ यहाँ पे एमओयू साइन किया गया है। DRDO inaugurated a CBRN field training demonstration center to strengthen emergency preparedness in which city? So, New Delhi. Next देखते हैं which scheme operational guidelines were released by DPIT in May? So this is the Bhavya, okay, that is the Bharat Audyogik Vikas Yojana scheme. Next है where was the Naib Defense Manufacturing Complex inaugurated by Rajnath Singh? शिरडी महाराष्ट्र में inaugurate किया है। Which state will host a new space vehicle cluster focusing on launch vehicle systems? So Tamil Nadu में it has been hosted. Who signed an MOU to construct India's first geothermal power project in Ladakh? ONGC will construct this. The Department of Post partnered with which company to enhance e-commerce logistics? This is Flipkart India. What is the name of the digital logistics application launched by the Indian Army? This is the Q-Force. Okay. Who won the Palme d'Or at the 2026 Cannes International Film Festival? So this is Fajol. अब जो आपके रिमेनिंग 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि हम रिवीजन पर्पसेस के लिए यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे। जितने भी हमने अभी क्वेश्चन किए हैं उसमें से ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ये आपके इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड अभी हम जल्दी से इन 50 क्वेश्चन को रिवाइज करके इस सेशन को एंड करेंगे। So, who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank until 2028? This is Sandeep Bakshi. Which nation became the 26th member of the International Big Cat Alliance? Important है Saudi Arabia. Very, very important. Okay. Which tech company announced the GES free training AI program for Indian teachers? Google ने ये program announce किया है. Next है who was appointed as a part-time chairman of the Federal Bank? Elias George. Next है which spacecraft was launched by China to the Tiangong Space Center in May 2026? So the name of the spacecraft is Shenzhou 23. Formula 1 Canadian GP किन्होंने जीता है? तो it has been won by Kimi Antonelli. India's Chef Day mission for 2026 Commonwealth Games is Rohit Rajpal. Very, very important. Okay. Next है which city hosted the 11th Quad Foreign Minister meetings in May? So New Delhi has hosted it. Okay. Which portal was launched by the India Semiconductor Mission to assist the investors? So investor support portal को जो है वो launch किया गया था. Which country appointed Ahmado Al-Amino Lo as its new prime minister? तो Senegal is the correct answer. Next देखते हैं what is the estimated total cost of NASA 3 phased plan for a permanent moon base? तो आपको यहाँ पे टोटल कॉस्ट के बारे में नहीं जानना है बट ये जानना है कि नासा का जो 3 फेज्ड प्लान है परमानेंट मून बेस के लिए वो जो है वो नासा ने बनाया है एंड इसका आउटलेट $20 बिलियन है। वर्ल्ड थायराइड डे 2026 की थीम क्या है? इट इज थायराइड एंड न्यूट्रिशन। Which scheme was approved by CCA with an outlay of 25,000 crore to modernize PDS? So this is Sarthak PDS. Very, very important question. एग्जाम में आपके क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है। What is estimated total food grain production of India? This is also important. So 376.5 metric tons. Sorry, million tons. Mission Queen Pineapple is an initiative launched in which state? So Tripura government ने launch किया है Mission Queen Pineapple. Which Indian city will host the 2027 Asian Relays? Chandigarh will host this. Okay. Next is what is the name of the 12.6 billion year old cosmic structure discovered by Indian scientists? So this is Loktak Proto Cluster. Next है which company partnered with the Andhra Pradesh government to launch Deep Tech Angel Fund? SIDBI ने ये फंड को जो है वो लॉन्च किया है. So with this we have finished all the 325 questions of the today's class. So अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है तो डू कंसिडर टू गिव अ लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड कमेंट करके आप ज़रूर बताना कि वीडियो कैसी लगी. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड कीप स्टडिंग.